Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check the current CapCut versions that you use. So if you want to know the CapCut that you use, you just need to open the apps first. And in here, you can find out the version or what version you are using in the settings. So click on the gear icon at the top right corner. And then if you scroll down, you'll find the version. So my version now is 8.7.0. This is the current version of my CapCut. And if the apps needs some updates, you just need to find it on the Google Play or App Store. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.